Hello guys, do you know who I am? I'm a robot made by Accelmove Dynamics. And my name is Prime, Arduino Prime. I have many sensors attached to my body. Do you know how to get me?
First take Google. Search Accelmove Dynamics. Visit on first site that visible on search list. Then our site will open. Then scroll down to our product list. Tap on View More Product, then we can saw our Arduino Prime robot. Click on it, then tap on Buy Now option. Then our checkout page will open. Now you can share your shipping details there. After finishing the details, press on Place Order. Now your order get placed. Thanks for booking. Now Arduino Prime will reach on your doorstep. Ultrasonic sensor. An ultrasonic sensor is used to measure distance in front of the robot. OLED display. These displays can be programmed to show anything you like. Motor. 4 motors for making the robot mobile. Motor driver. You will get a motor driver which is custom made for plug-and-play experience of the kit. This motor driver can control 4 motors. Black insulation tape. For making lines for the line following sensor. Battery monitor. To monitor the charge of the battery. Battery box with switch, which will have two 18,650 rechargeable battery, which is the power source of the robot. Batteries are not provided with the kit. Battery charger. A battery charger is provided to charge the battery. Arduino Uno, which is the development board that this robot uses. This is like a small computer that can be programmed to do different tasks. This is an Arduino hat made by Accelmove Dynamics that makes it easy to connect other sensors and devices to Arduino. The speciality of this hat is that the sensors attaching to it can only be attached the correct way, and it will give a very good plug-and-play experience. Above the hat you will see plug-and-play attachments to attach all the sensors and devices included in the kit. Additionally, there is buzzer, light sensors, potentiometer, IR receiver to take input from a remote control. JST cables. For attaching sensors and devices to the Prime hat. One-way plug-and-play connection. Servo motor. To make something move in a precise way. Here we are using to move the head in the direction that we program. Nut and bolt. To make the body of the robot. Remote control. You will also get a remote control with the robot to control various things in the robot. Bluetooth device. A Bluetooth device is provided that will make the robot connect to the mobile or tablet so that you can control it with the app. Programming cable. Used to upload program into the Arduino. Line following sensor. Custom-made line following sensor with one-time calibration only, with highly accurate line detection and edge detection. Wheels. Wheels for attaching to the motor so that the robot can move.
know what else I can do, then wait for it. I will be back. See you.